Hi my dear students of class 9. Today we will be dealing with a new prose, The Fun They Had, and this prose is written by Isaac Asimov, and this is a very light story and set in the future. This story is about the virtual classroom which the character of the story is pursuing, because this story is a future story and we are in 2020 and the year in which this story took place is 2157. So you can clearly understand कि ये future की story है. अभी जो हम पढ़ेंगे ये मतलब हम 2020 में 2157 की story है, तो future की story है. अब देखिए आपके पेज में कुछ फोटोज दिए हैं. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा समझना है इस लेसन को तो ये फोटो आप देखिए क्लियरली. तो इसमें आपको दिखेगा ये वर्चुअल क्लासरूम में बच्चा बैठा है, ये कंप्यूटर के सामने है एंड रोबोटिक टीचर हैं. ये सारे इस स्क्रीन में आपके लेटर्स आ रहे हैं. तो ये जो है वर्चुअल क्लासरूम की बात कर रहे हैं स्टोरी में. मींस जो हमारा स्कूल कैसा होगा, हमारा टीचिंग लर्निंग जो प्रोसेस होगा वो कैसा है स्टोरी में हमें पता चलता है. एंड इस स्टोरी में एक कंपेयरिंग हुई है, एक कंट्रास्ट है बिटवीन द रियल स्कूल एंड द वर्चुअल क्लासरूम. So these children of the story are comparing and contrasting when they found a real book. So we will be starting this lesson, but before the start I want to give you a little bit knowledge about the characters. See, in this story there is one character. The main character is Maggie, who is 11 years old. Then Maggie's mother is there. I have not written over there. Mrs. Johns is there. Then his friend, her friend Tommy is there, 13 years old. Then grandfather is there, because in this story something related to grandfather has been also stated. And then there is a county inspector who came to repair the mechanical teacher. So as you can see this computer here, this computer represent virtual classroom, because this story is about future. So in future you will not go to classroom and you will be having robots who will be teaching you, and you will be taking into virtual classroom. There will be no load of bag. You will not be seeing real teachers like us. They will not be teaching you. Only mechanical teacher like computer, laptops, e-books. This stuffs will be there, and you will be getting your class teaching from that. So now we will be dealing with the character sketch of these two. Maggie Johns, she was undergoing homeschooling and she was in a habit of writing diary entry. Daily she was writing a diary entry, and then she was having little idea about the real school. Tommy was a very smart boy. He was having knowledge about real schools, and he was curious to read everything. That's why he was having knowledge about everything, whatever he had read. And then he was Maggie's friend, and he was 13 years old. So we will be starting the story, and before start I will suggest you students to write at least 10 points for these two questions in your copy, so that you will be acquainted with the writing practice. Right now I will explain you the lesson line by line. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17 May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." See, I said we are in 2020 and the story is about 2157. So it's a future story. Margie was writing a diary entry on 17th May 2157. What she wrote in the diary? She wrote that today Tommy found a real book. For them, real book is something which is really making them astonished. They had never ever seen the real book, and suddenly Tommy found a real book. That's why she made the entry, Tommy found a real book. It was very old book. Maggie's grandfather once said that when he was little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Maggie's Margie is recalling what her grandfather said to her, that when he was going to school, it was a real school. They were carrying bags, and in that bags they were carrying books and copies. And at that time, the real books were existing. Means everything was printed on paper, and that was called book. So when Tommy found a real book, she is recalling what grandfather stated. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. Crinkly means here with many folds or lines, something that is crushed. किसी चीज को crush कर दिया गया है. तो here Margie, when Tommy had found the book, they had seen the book and they are seeing the pages, and what they found, that the pages of the book are yellowish in color because it is old one, and it is crinkly, means it is looking like that someone has crushed it. That's why there are many folds and lines on that pages. जैसे आप किसी चीज को क्रश करिए तो उसमें लाइंस रहेंगे, फोल्ड्स रहेंगे, वैसे वो पेजेस दिख रहे हैं. And it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And now they were comparing that the words which are printed on the book is not moving, and it was really funny for them because they had seen words, alphabets moving on the screen because they were taking their virtual classes. On screen everything was moving, but in book everything was still. That's why they are feeling that it's very funny because in book nothing is moving. कोई भी चीज बुक में हिल नहीं रही है, वर्ड्स यहाँ वही हैं, और उनको वर्चुअल क्लास की आदत है, तो टेक्स्ट जो है सारे मूव कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे, तो उनको इसमें बहुत फन सा लग रहा है, बहुत फनी लग रहा है. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. See, when you are seeing your computer, when you are reading from your e-book, you will see that once you completed the lesson, the next lesson will come, and once you completed the next book will come. So here what they are finding, that when they are flipping the pages of this real book, जो ये real book है, उसके जब pages ऐसा flip कर रहे हैं, वो flip कर रहे हैं मतलब turn कर रहे हैं, तो when they are turning back, तो again the same words are at same place. इसलिए उनको और ज्यादा फनी लग रहा है क्योंकि स्क्रीन पे तो सब मूव करता है, चले ही जाता है, तो उनको लगता है यार भाई इस बुक में तो जब मैं टर्न कर रहा हूँ बुक, तो जो द इंस्पेक्टर है वो वहीं का वहीं है. तो वो ये देखते हैं कि इन बुक्स में जो वर्ड्स हैं वो मूव नहीं कर रहे हैं एज कंपेयर टू स्क्रीन. And when they read it again and again, they are finding that the words are still on their places in the real book. Then what happened? Guy said, Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away, I guess. Our television screen must have had 1 million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Tommy said, gee, what a waste. Kitna nuksan hai, what a waste. If I am done with this book, simply what I will do, I will throw it away if it is a real book. But in virtual classes, in e-books, what happened? When you had read the book, there is no need of throwing that book. You will get the new book automatically. So what he is saying, that in virtual classes, they can have access to millions of books, but in real book they are not having access to millions of books. First they have to complete one book, and then they have to throw it away, or they have to give it to somebody, or they have to sell it to someone, and then they will purchase new one, and then they have to read. But in computers they are having access to many e-books, and there is no need of throwing that books also. That's why Tommy disliked the concept of real books. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Now, same case was with Margie. She is also not agreeing to the idea of real books, because she is also thinking it's a waste, because when I will complete that book, I have to throw it away. So she is saying कि as compared to the telebooks, as compared to the e-books, it's mere wastage of this paper, and she has not seen as many e-books as Tommy has seen, but then too she is agreeing to the thought of Tommy कि जो real book है वो वेस्टेज है, क्योंकि आप पढ़ने के बाद उसे फेंक देते हो और आपको एक्सेस भी नहीं है. यू कैन नॉट सी मिलियन ऑफ बुक्स एज कंपेयर टू which you can see in virtual classroom or which you can see in internet. So what is happening now? Again, see, she said, where did you find it? She is asking a question to Tommy that where you found this real book. In my house, he pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. He was, as I said earlier, that Tommy was curious of reading the things. So he was busy in reading, and he gave one reply to Margie that I found this book in the house, and he pointed towards that attic. What is attic? You know, अगर यह रूफ है, मान लो ये रूफ है, घर का दीवार है, छत से थोड़ी सी नीचे आप किसी के घर में एक्सटेंडेड पोर्शन देखते होगे बना के रखते हैं, तो वो सामान स्टोर करने के लिए होता है, वैसा है. तो वो टॉमी ने बोला आई फाउंड दिस बुक इन द अटीक. In the attic, because he was not having time, so he pointed out finger that see, from there I found the book. Then what happened? Tom, what is it about? Now again a question came, as Margie was curious to know about this real book. Again a question came that what is it about? Margie asked Tommy that what is the book related to, what topic it is covering, and what subject material it is covering. Then Tommy replied that the book was about, Tommy said school, and he said it's all about school, about going to school, about life of the school, about students, about books, everything related to school. The book is about that only. Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. Scornful means showing your dislike about something. So Margie Margie hated school. Margie became scornful because she thought it's worthless. She hated the school. She said, school? School? What's there to talk about school? मतलब वो पूछती स्कूल के बारे में लिखा है, क्या ऐसा है कि हम स्कूल के बारे में बात करें? I hate school. मुझे तो स्कूल पसंद ही नहीं है. Then Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. Margie always hated school, but now the present time she is hating the school more as compared to past. Why she is hating the school? The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. See, Margie always hated the school, but there was a reason behind that. कोई भी बच्चा स्कूल को हेट करता है तो बीइंग टीचर, बीइंग पेरेंट हमें समझना चाहिए, बीइंग चाइल्ड हमें समझना चाहिए. We have to find out the reason. So why Margie was hating the school more than ever? Because she was studying from that mechanical teacher, and she was getting test in geography subject, and she was not performing well. Test by test, the result was becoming worse, and she was worried. Her mother was worried. She shook her head sorrowfully. She was not at all happy with the result of the Margie, and then she decided to call for the county inspector. Who is county inspector? A person who is appointed to see the working of the mechanical teacher. And she decided now it's right time to call county inspector. Why this is happening? He will look into the matter and he will give me whether there is mistake in my child or there is problem with the mechanical teacher. Here two question comes in our mind. What is Margie school? Margie school is a mechanical teacher. यहाँ पे मार्गी का स्कूल मैकेनिकल टीचर है. अब ये जो मैकेनिकल टीचर is a machine which teaches you and not that school where we all go. Margie is sitting in home. She is undergoing homeschooling because she is sitting in front of the computer and she is taking class. तो यहाँ जो मार्गी का स्कूल है, मैकेनिकल टीचर है, she is not going to any real school. Be clear. दूसरा क्वेश्चन था why मार्गी hate school. तो अब आपको पता चल गया होगा, because she was not performing well in geography session test, and whenever she was giving the test in geography session, the result was not good at all. She was not able to perform in the test. That's why she hated school, because she was being scolded by mother, and mother was also very sorrowful. She was also feeling very bad about the result of the daughter. Then again, he was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wire. The county inspector is a person who has been appointed to see the mechanical teacher. Means he was having expertise, उनको knowledge था how to repair the mechanical teacher. And there, the description of his physical structure is given. He is a fat man. That's why it is written he was a round little man. Short-heighted man, fatty one. That's why round little man. छोटे height का इंसान था. And then his face color is red. And what he is carrying, a bag which is full of wires, dials, screwdrivers, whatever is needed to for repairing the mechanical teacher. When he came to Margie's place, when he looked at Margie, he smiled and gave her an apple. Then he took the teacher apart from the place where it was fixed, because he has to repair that mechanical teacher. Then what happened? Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again. Large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Margie hoped, as like all children, she also hoped, oh my God, relax. Now he will be checking my mechanical teacher, my computer. For some day I will be relaxed. There will be no need to go through these classes. But as I said, this county inspector was expertise person. Within an hour, he repaired the mechanical teacher and came back and fixed it at the place where it was earlier. And again, she has to go through the virtual classroom, and she hated this mechanical teacher. Why she hated? Because again there was large, black and ugly big screen. बड़ा सा, black सा, ugly दिखने वाला, कुछ उसमें beautify तो कर ही नहीं सकते ना screen को आप. तो वो ugly screen, she has to look into that, and she has to take classes, and she has to give tests. That's why again she is feeling very bad when she is seeing her mechanical teacher. And now she is worried that she has to go through the virtual classes and test as well. Then what happened? That was not so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test paper. This is one reason, but the major reason was that she hated the portion where she hated that time slot where she has to insert her homework and test paper, because in these things there was assessment, and this assessment, when the mother was seeing it, she was becoming very upset by seeing the assessment of Margie, that she is not performing well. So this part she disliked even more. Slot means there is a given space time in which she has to insert homework and classwork. Like you are having doubt clearing group, in which you are having time slot where you have to ask doubt. That is called slot. Margie hated this mechanical teacher the most because she had to submit her homework and test papers to it. Why she hated? Because she has to submit test paper and homeworks to it at a given slot. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. When she was 6 years old, she learnt about punch code, and all the test papers and homework she has to write in punch code, and then she has to insert it, and immediately she was getting the result. And this thing she disliked even more. Then what happened? The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her, "Mother, it's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Johns. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick." Then what happened? That county inspector smiled and patted on Margie's head. ऐसे इसको प्यार से pat किया उन्होंने. And then he stated to Mrs. Johns, the mother of Margie, that it was not the fault or mistake of your little girl. It was the mistake of the geography sector, because the pace in which it was taking the test was not scheduled according to the class and age of Margie. That's why she was not able to perform better. Geared means adjusted to a particular standard or level. That's why I'm saying it has not been adjusted to the class or standard or mental standard of the Margie. That's why she was not able to perform. So then what happened? Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. This thing happens this is a mechanical fault, so we cannot, technical fault, we cannot help it out. And right now I had rectified the problem. Now this geography session has been set according to 10-year level child. Then what happened? Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory, and he patted Margie's head again. He said, "Your child has given a satisfactory result, and I think she needs to be encouraged." And that's why he patted again his head like this. Yes, you had performed very well. Your performance was up to satisfaction level. Means this county inspector was actually motivating the child and motivating mother not to worry about it, because it was not set according to the standard of 10-year-old child or 11-year-old child. That's why Margie was not able to perform. Then again what happened? Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Margie felt very sad, because what she thought when county inspector was taking the mechanical teacher, that for someday I will be relaxed, I will not have mechanical teacher, there will no need to go into the classroom. But now all hopes went in vain. Now she is having her mechanical teacher in front of her, and now she has to undergo the classroom and the test session. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month, because the history sector had blanked out completely. Blanked out means it has been completely erased. Pura hat gaya tha. So now she is recalling that once Tommy, mechanical teacher, was having fault in history section because it was blanked out. There was nothing. Every notes, every ebook was erased from it. And it took a month for getting rectified, and how he was relaxed. Why I am not so fortunate? Why this county inspector had prepared my mechanical teacher within 1 hour? She is feeling very sad about this. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" Now she asked Tommy, "Why? Tell me, why anyone is supposed to write about school? What is so great about school that anyone is going to write about school? ऐसा क्या great है कि school के बारे में लिखा जाए?" ऐसा वो Tommy से पूछती है. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes, because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundred of years ago. Tommy looked at her with a superior look that he knows everything. ऐसे एकदम ऐसे देखता है, superiority दिखती है कि जैसे उससे बहुत knowledge है. He is more knowledgeable, and he said to Margie, "Stupid fool, they are not writing about the type of school, the type of teaching we are going into. हमारे बारे में और हमारे स्कूल के बारे में नहीं लिख रहे हैं. They are writing about the school which existed 100 years ago. Past में जो 100 साल, हजारों साल पहले रहे होंगे, उस स्कूल के बारे में लिखा है." He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, "centuries ago." Loftily means superior way में he said कि it was the school was existing centuries ago. बहुत पहले के स्कूल के बारे में है. मतलब वो ये शो करना चाहता था टॉमी कि he is far more intelligent, he knows everything, and Margie is little poor fool girl and she doesn't know, that's why she is asking silly question, and Tommy is intelligent one, that's why he is giving a reply. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Margie was hurt by seeing the reaction and the way Tommy replied to the question of Margie. See, she stated that, yes, okay, I don't know about the school which existed centuries ago, but she started, meanwhile she started reading the book over his shoulder. Over whose shoulder? Over Tommy's shoulder for a while, and then she said कि here they are talking about teacher. ये तो teacher की बात कर रहे हैं. Thank you so much. Today we will end over here. In the next part we will be covering the rest of the lesson. So my dear children, if you are having any doubt regarding the lesson, please comment in the comment section, so I will be able to give reply to you. And see, this channel is yours channel. Feel free to ask anything, and you can take the screenshot of this board if you want. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. God bless you all, beta.